Okay, my hope is that a question like this doesn't take you more than 2 seconds. What is 12x to the third minus 5x to the third? It's 7x to the third. You just need to know that. That is instant kind of algebra that needs to be automatic. So I get then like, why am I making a video of this question? Well, so some people who have trouble with exponents or have trouble with algebra, there are some things we can do to try to verify this in the moment. That probably means if you're struggling with this, you can't do any harder questions later. So don't bother. Save the time to make sure this is right. And this is good for people who are capable of doing this to know that this is still a question we could, if we really wanted to, arithmetize. So if you don't know how to use that strategy, if you don't feel like you're good at noticing those moments, well, try to use it even in places where you don't need it so you build the skill. What we would want to do is just pick a value for x. Normally I would pick 0 or 1, but with exponents, then 0 and 1 don't do anything, right? Because the 0 to any power is 0, 1 to any power is 1. So I need something different. So I'll do something like 2. Now in my calculator, I can just do something like, let's do 12 times 2. And you could use sliders here and things like that, but I'm just going to shortcut it just by typing it. Oop, as I mess it up. 12 times 2 to the third. And then minus, and this is really time consuming, so obviously this is not what we want to be doing, but it works. 2 to the third, so same thing. And you get a number, right? So 56. Okay. Then if you think the answer is C, you should type that in, 7 times 2 to the third, and we would get the same number. And that's great. Now, if you thought, wait a minute, do my exponents start to do stuff? Do I have to, x to the third has become x to the sixth? Well, just change this to sixth and try choice A, and you realize you get a different number. So it doesn't work. Now, in theory, you would need to do this for every choice. I'm not going to waste your time with it. But again, if you're really good at algebra, that's great. But if you're trying to get better at SAT algebra, my advice is look for these opportunities to do some basic arithmetizing and just get the feel down. You're not trying to be efficient. You would never arithmetize on a question like this on the real test unless you had no algebra skills whatsoever. Hopefully that's not you, but if you recognize that you could arithmetize because the x's don't matter, it's going to help you when we really do need that strategy. So if you're looking to just improve your strategy skills, try to use the strategies in places where you don't need them. That way you can just get better at recognizing when they work, when they won't work, what kinds of numbers to pick, all sorts of things like that.